it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have got for you an unboxing of this month's Glossy box. So yes, it's an unboxing of this month's July Glossy box. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to open it with you guys. We'll go through it and see what I think. I have seen the box design for this month. It's really, really nice. And I think we got a sneak peek of a product last month, but I don't know anything else that's in it. So without further ado, let's open the box and we'll take a look together. Okay, so here is our box. It is the Aloha box. And how pretty is that? It's really, really nice. So let's have a little open up and see what we get inside. So always nicely presented with a little bow, and we get our leaflet that tells us about the products. And then inside, nicely wrapped, are our products this month. Okay, so I've completely destroyed that. Okay, so here's a sneak peek at our products, and I will go through them one by one with you as they appear in the leaflet. So, if you haven't seen any of my unboxings or know anything about Glossy Box, it is a beauty box subscription, and you can choose to subscribe just 1 month at a time. That costs you £10 with £3.25 postage, so £13.25. Or I've subscribed for 12 months, which is £8.50 a box, and then the £3.25 postage, making it £11.75. And in each box we get 5 products. So let's find out what we've got for this month. So firstly, there is a little bit of writing about the theme of this month's box. So I'm going to read that to you guys. So it says, as July is all about tropical summer vibes, we've brought that aloha feeling straight to your door. No matter where you spend the sunny months, you'll feel like you've been on the sandy beaches of Hawaii thanks to these 5 beauty must-haves. Whether you're on the hunt for a radiant sun-kissed glow, need a refreshing skincare treatment, or want to add a flush of colour to your lips, we've got everything you need inside the special design July Glossy box. Let the summery scents and radiance enhancing products carry you away into the sunset. They always paint a lovely picture with these things. So yes, this month is the Aloha box. So let's see what we get inside. So the first item that we get in this month's box is a Glow Drop Primer from Jekka Black. Now that is not a brand I've heard of at all. So this is worth £16. So the little write-up on this says, wherever your summer adventures take you, flaunt a gorgeous dewy radiance thanks to the multitasking Glow Drops. Not only do they prime your skin and create a glowing base ready for makeup application, but they hydrate your skin too. Simply spread the primer evenly onto your face using your fingertips, and then apply your base makeup over the top. A hydrated iridescent finish awaits. So that's what it looks like out of the packaging. It sounds like a really good summer primer. I'll have to give that a go and see what I think, but it sounds nice, and it sounds like a decent company as well with the look of it. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free, which is really nice. Okay, our next product is from Now Bay. I had something from them before. It might have been in a Look Fantastic, or was it a Glossy box? Anyway, I really like the kind of presentation on the products. Like, we've got the wooden lid, so that's really nice. So this is an orange juice hand cream. Okay. So it says that this is worth £11.50. And the little write-up says, there's no better way to hydrate your skin this summer than with a luscious hand cream that smells of freshly squeezed orange juice. Blending shea butter, chamomile, aloe vera and orange water, this intensely moisturizing formula infuses your skin with revitalizing nutrients and minerals that leave it feeling soft and regenerated. Massage into your hands and nails throughout the day when required. Okay. I love a good hand cream. I'm just going to try it now. Let's have a little go. Okay. Oh, it does smell like oranges. Okay, I probably put on there more than I actually needed. It's funny when you're using something for the first time, you don't quite know. So I've probably got an excess of product, but still, it's kind of going into my hands really nicely. It feels nice, and it's sinking in quite quickly, if you know what I mean, so it doesn't leave that whole greasy feeling on your fingers like some hand creams can. But no, I like that actually. It does smell very orangey. So let's move on to our next product, and it is this one. And it is by Give Them Lala, which is another brand I have not heard of. So this is a Aloha bronzer, and it's worth £19.80. So the little write-up about this says, even if you can't make it onto a sandy beach this summer, you can still show off a natural-looking sun-kissed tan thanks to this bronzer. Boasting a long-wearing, highly pigmented formula, it glides effortlessly onto your skin to give you that bronzed goddess look. Use a large fluffy brush to apply along the hairline, down your cheekbones and across your jaw. Okay, so let's open this up. The packaging matches the box, so that's really nice. Obviously made perhaps for this glossy box. Okay, so it's just in a standard kind of black. Ooh, and there it is. It's a very golden, shimmery, possibly quite dark, but I think it'll be nice. I think that'll work for me. Yeah, so I'll give that a try. Our next product was actually the sneak peek that we got last month, and it is by the Beauty Crop, and it is their Palm Balm. So it says, achieve holiday-worthy tropical glow with this multi-purpose balm. Formulated with 90% natural plant-based oils, including coconut and apricot oils, its luscious texture not only conditions and hydrates your pout, but also doubles as a creamy blush to add a fresh rosy flush to your complexion. Apply onto cheeks, lips or eyelids, then blend with your fingertips for a natural, radiant finish. Never really keen on like cream kind of blush products and things, but if it's good for your lips and stuff, it'd be weird on your eyes. Oh, it's sealed. I'm trying to open it and it's very, very much sealed. But it's for me, so I can open it. So inside we get a very pinky, well, rosy kind of colour. Okay, and I'm going to stick my finger in as well. Okay, so it probably blends in quite nicely. I don't know if you can see on my hand, but it leaves like a little subtle fleck of colour, which will be quite nice, I imagine, on the cheek. So I might actually try it on my cheek because it kind of blended in quite nicely. So I might give that a go. Did I say how much that was worth? This is worth £18. Okay, and the last product, sometimes Glossy Box give a couple of different options, so you either get one or the other in your box. So this month we're getting a fruit slice mask, and you can either get a strawberry or a watermelon, and I have the watermelon one. It says, say hello to fresh, healthy summer skin thanks to these Korean face masks. Infused with either natural strawberry or watermelon extracts, they provide your complexion with an intense burst of moisture and hydration that helps to protect to protect your skin barrier and feels refreshing. Apply to clean, dry skin for 15 to 20 minutes and peel off and massage it next to serum. And this is worth £4. I think that might be the actual mask there. And little tiny pieces of watermelon. So I don't think it's an actual sheet mask like I thought it implied it was. It's little pieces that you're supposed to put around your face that are shaped like watermelons, so that's different. There's definitely one we can give a try on Face Mask Friday, so look out for that coming at some point. Okay then guys, so that is this month's Glossy Box. I'm quite happy with what I've got really. I paid £11.25 for this box. So in here we've got a hand cream. It's a really kind of generous sized hand cream, so that will last ages. Hand cream's always useful. I always have one by the bed. I keep one various places throughout the house and in my handbag and stuff. Then we've got a primer, which if that's nice, that'll be fantastic. I've actually just finished a primer, so maybe I'll give it a go. We've got the bronzer, which looks really nice. I will definitely give that a go. It's a perfect kind of shimmery summertime bronzer. And then we have the Palm Balm, which actually I was a bit more impressed with than I thought it would be. And then we have a face mask. Face masks come in handy. I mean, I must admit, I have quite the stack of face masks. So I think I've been getting like one every time I've got a Glossy Box and like a Look Fantastic recently. So actually didn't get one in the last one, so I would like to look fantastic, but still, I've got plenty. So not a bad array of products. I don't know if I'm going to feel like I'm in Hawaii with them, but still. And just before I leave you then, we will have a look at the sneak peek on the back. So if you don't want to know, look away now. Okay, oh, I don't think there is one. It just says that next month is our birthday surprise. Next month we'll be celebrating our birthday and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have an incredible box waiting for you, but we've got an even more exciting announcement. A project we've been working on for almost 2 years is finally coming your way. Watch out, because Glossy Box is about to get bigger and better than ever. I wonder if they're releasing their own products, possibly, just from the little picture that comes with the write-up there. Okay, so that's going to be interesting. I will look forward to next month's box. So guys, that is the video. This is our box this month. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of it. If you've got it, are you happy with what you've got? If you don't subscribe, does this make you want to subscribe? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you're subscribed. I've got more box unboxings coming. Obviously, next month's Glossy Box, I've subscribed for a year. I've also got Look Fantastic. I've got a Super Drug haul coming. I've got lots more coming, really. So if you're interested, please subscribe. And until my next video then, guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.